respected parents, guardian, and my dear fellow cadet. How are you, everybody? I believe that you are very well by the grace of Almighty. Dear cadets, it is time of worldwide corona epidemic. For this, Borishal Cadet College arranged online class instead of traditional class. So, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you to my class. Okay, cadets, I am Al Amin, instructor of Borishal Cadet College. We will get to know each other in detail when we get a chance to take class directly. Cadets, it is a time of worldwide corona pandemic, so we should know about corona to protect ourselves, to protect our society, protect our country. Dear cadets, at first we know the symptoms of COVID-19. The first symptom, fever, then cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, chills, repeated shaking with chills, muscle pain, headache, sore throat, loss of taste or smell. Okay, cadets, our today's chapter is chapter 1 from your ICT textbook. Our today's topic is application of ICT in personal life. It is very easy and common topic. Cadets, after finishing this topic, we will be able to describe the use of ICT in personal life. Dear cadets, ICT, that means information and communication technology. It is a new dimension in the world. Cadets, new technologies frequently come into being in this world, though we do not get the information right away. So it does not have any impact on us. But information and communication technology is such a kind of advanced network technology, which has been influencing our lives since its invention. In this world, there is no one who has not used this technology, or it has not brought about a change in his life. Information and communication technology is not only used in important state affairs and in the international events, but also in the lives of common beings. If you look around, you will watch that the people of your kin, teachers, classmates, and you yourself in one way or another are using the technology. The textbook which you are reading right now is written by someone, printed by using that information technology. If we try to make a list of multifarious uses of information and communication technology in a man's life, it will never end. In spite of that, let us at least try to record the significant event of his life strongly influenced and guided by this technology. Cadets, Now you will describe, now we will learn the definition of ICT. ICT is a technology that is related to information and communication system. ICT refers to technologies that provide access to information through telecommunications. It is similar to IT, that is information technology, but focuses primarily on communication technologies. This includes the internet, wireless network, cell phones, and other communication mediums. ICT refers to all the technology used to handle telecommunication, broadcast media, intelligent building management system, audio-visual processing system, and transmission system, and also network-based control and monitoring functions. Okay, we understand the ICT. Then personal life. Personal life means an individual's life, personal choice, personal work, etc. Cadets, we use ICT in our daily life in various aspects, like calling with mobile phone, video calling, Viber, and email communication. Cadets, now we describe according to sequence. Cell phone communication. We use ICT all the time in our personal life. We talk to many people over mobile phone every day, like our friends, parents, teacher, relative, and others. It is use of ICT in our daily life. A mobile phone is an electronic device used for mobile communication over cellular network. The mobile phone used to communicate over long distance without wire. Next, personal communication. Example of personal communication is video call communication and other. A visual communication between two or more is called video call communication. Okay? Visual communication means communication, visual communication between two or more people. Every day we talk to many people in country and abroad in video call. For video call, we can use various apps like Viber, Imo, Skype, etc. Cadets, now we are going to describe about Viber communication. Viber is also video call communication system. Viber is an app through which we can communicate with different people in different country and abroad. Viber communication has brought positive changes in ICT sector. Using Viber, we can exchange messages in addition to video call. Next, email communication. Email, its elaboration is electronic mail. Email communication can be defined as the exchange of short informational messages between at least two people over a computer network. Okay? Email communication can be defined as the exchange of short informational messages between at least two people over a computer network. This message containing plain text, images, or documents attachment are delivered through email web-based services like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, Hotmail, etc. We can communicate with each other through email for different needs. So we can say that the role of email in communication system is unparalleled. Dear cadets, you can see the application of ICT through internet at a glance. Okay, next. ICT in entertainment. Cadets, nowadays information and communication technology is not only a way of communication but also an inciting medium of entertainment. Am I right? Of course. Previously, people had to purchase a separate machine to enjoy music. But right now, we can listen to music in mobile phone. Once, camera was a commodity of rich people. But now, the common beings can take photograph and make various video by using mobile phones. It's gradually being an intelligence device that can manage to do works of different varieties. Cadets, now we describe according to sequence. Number one, listening music. We everybody every day listen various music by using ICT device like computer, mobile phone, smartphone, from our computer or from various sites. You can visit various sites to listen music according to your choice. Next, watching movie. We can watch various types of movie according to our demand from various sources by using various types of ICT devices. Next, watching TV program. You can watch TV program according to your demand by using ICT device like television, smartphone, computer, etc. Next, playing games. It is common matter for you. Cadets, you can play various types of games from internet by using various types of ICT devices. Cadets, be careful. You must be careful when playing games so that we do not become addicted. So be careful about it. Take photograph. Cadets, we can take photograph from anywhere, from any place for various purpose. In this case, you can use your smart mobile phone. It is a use of ICT in our personal life. Cadets, you can see at a glance communication through internet. You can see social network, listening to music and watch video, digital photo, video games, etc. Cadets, now we are going to discuss about GPS. The precondition of going anywhere by a transport, it is to know the road links. How can a man reach the destination without knowing the road communications? But it is very amusing that nowadays he does not need to know the road links before going anywhere. By analyzing the signal transmitted through satellite moving around the earth, you can easily locate where you are, and by inserting a map in it, you can go anywhere you like. All the new vehicles have GPS device that show the driver the way he chooses to go. So we can tell the definition of GPS. GPS is a space-based satellite navigation system that provides location and time in all weather conditions. Okay, boys? So at first we know the elaboration of GPS is global positioning system. The global positioning system, GPS, is a network about 30 satellites orbiting the Earth at an altitude of 20,000 kilometers. Okay? Orbiting the Earth at an altitude of 20,000 kilometers. The signals traveling at the speed of light, which calculates how far away each satellite is based on how long it took for the message to arrive. Okay, boys, the structure of GPS. GPS is made up of three parts. Number one, satellite. Number two, ground station. Number three, receiver. Once the receiver calculates its distance from 4 or more satellites, okay? Receiver calculates its distance from 4 or more satellites. It knows exactly where you are. And receiver finds the location from Google Map. Okay? Number one, calculates its distance from 4 satellites and find the location from Google Map. Okay, boys. Now we see the GPS at a glance. GPS use a group of satellites. Okay? GPS use a group of satellites that send radio signal to ground device at the speed of light. Next characteristics of GPS, receiving the signals that the device notes the arrival time. Okay, device notes the arrival time. The distance between the receiver and satellite is calculated. Okay, distance between receiver and satellite is calculated. So anyone with a smartphone can pinpoint exactly where they are. Okay, boys. Now we are going to discuss the application of ICT in our daily life, in our personal life, that is reading books. Boys, we can read various types of PDF format book from various sites. You can collect your NCTB PDF formatted book from nctb.gov.bd. Okay, another use of ICT in our personal life we are going to discuss next. Boys, If you want to read various types of book from online, you can visit various sites. You can see the list of various sites for reading online book. Okay, boys. Another use of ICT in personal life, that is telemedicine. What is telemedicine? Telemedicine means to get advice of doctor at your home by using IT. Telemedicine allows healthcare professionals to evaluate, diagnose, and treat patients at distance using telecommunication technology. Okay. The remote diagnosis and treatment of patients by means of telecommunication technology. Okay, cadets. Next application of ICT in personal life, that is alarm and calendar. Many of us keep an alarm on your mobile phone to wake up at the right time. It is a common matter in our daily life. Everybody use it. And also calendar, you can set a fixed date on your mobile phone calendar to wish your friend a happy birthday. Okay, cadet. We have already discussed the symptoms of COVID-19. Cadets, you can reduce your chances of being infected or spreading COVID-19 by taking some precautions. Precautions on: regularly and thoroughly clean your hand with an alcohol-based hand rub, or wash your hand with soap and water at least 20 seconds after every 2 hours. Precautions 2. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others. Precautions 3. Avoid going to crowded places. That means refrain from going to public gathering. Precautions 4. Avoid touching eyes, nose, mouth with dry hand. Precautions 5. If you want to go out for any emergency reason, you must wear a mask. If possible, you can wear PPE. Overall, keep up to date on latest information from trusted source like World Health Organization, Johns Hopkins University, Worldometer. Dear cadets, we are staying at the last position of our class. So be care from COVID-19. At last, we are watching a video clip on application of ICT in personal life.